Mastering Reporting Verbs. Unlocking the secret to perfect reported speech. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of reported speech, reporting verbs. These are the keys to transforming direct speech into reported speech smoothly and naturally. So let's unlock the mystery of these important verbs and level up your English language skills. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by reporting verbs. In simple terms, they are the verbs we use to report what someone else has said, thought, or believed. Examples include say, tell, ask, advise, and suggest. We use these verbs as the bridge to connect the speaker and the actual spoken words in reported speech. Now, how can we recognize common reporting verbs? Well, a hint lies in their purpose. They are essentially used to express communication or thought. But remember, the context matters. The verb promise, for instance, conveys an intention. So, if the context is about someone making a commitment, promise could be your reporting verb. Here are some common reporting verbs you should know. Say, tell, ask, advise, suggest, promise, agree, deny, explain, admit. The next step is learning to use these verbs in sentences. Keep in mind, not all reporting verbs are used in the same way. Some may require an object, some may require a to infinitive, some a that clause, and others may require a gerund. Let's check out some examples. 1. He admitted that he was wrong. 2. She advised him to study harder. 3. They agreed to meet at the cafe. 4. The teacher suggested studying every day. Each verb follows a different pattern, and that's the key to use them correctly. It's practice time. The best way to internalize these verbs is to use them. Practice transforming direct speech into reported speech using different reporting verbs. For instance, direct. I will come to the party, John said. Reported. John promised that he would come to the party. Play around with the sentences and reporting verbs. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And there we have it. A quick dive into the world of reporting verbs. We hope this video helps you understand these verbs better and use them with confidence in your spoken and written English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing these verbs in your daily English conversations. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!